Thank you for watching this installation video. In the package, we will provide a rear luggage rack, the supplied hardware, 4 M8 by 50 millimeter countersunk Allen bolts, as well as 4 spacers. Recommended tools, a ratchet, and a 5 millimeter Allen socket or Allen key. Grab the 4 spacers, put them on top of the OEM plastic rear rack. Pay attention to the holes. Then grab the rear rack and place it on top of the spacers. Line up the mounting holes. Put the bolts in one by one. Turn each bolt just a couple of times. We want to make sure that the structure remains loose in order to avoid cross-threading any bolts. Like so, and now you can grab a tool, 5 millimeter Allen key or socket, and pull all the bolts snug. You can now tighten each bolt, and the final step will be applying the torque specs, which is displayed on the screen. So should you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, info@outbackmotortech.com, or you can call toll-free 877-931-3636. Thank you for watching.